Modders Inc. here, and we're at the Origin suite at CES 2015, and we're going to get a little quick run through for what they have in their suite, and we'll get a guided tour here. And your name is?
Kevin Wasielewski,
And what do you do at Origin?
stuff.
Stuff.
I'm
Okay.
the CEO, one of the co-founders. My two partners couldn't make it. They're back in Miami, so I'm here holding up Vegas.
Nice. So we got, well, the big guy to give us a tour around. So what else could we ask for? So I guess we start over here. We'll start off with what you have, and then I'll just let you go from there, and you can guide us through everything.
Sure. So last year CES, this was our Steam machine. This year at CES, it's our Steam machine evolved to our living room PC. It has an official name now. It's the OriginPC Omega, and it's basically, as you can see, a living room chassis. And it's built on the same pillars of all of our other systems, which means it's built on the highest performance, the most customization, and the best support. So our living room PC offers you up to triple 980 graphics cards. The one you're seeing right here has dual 980 graphics cards. You have hot swap hard drive bays in the front. You have an Intel 4790K processor, which is overclockable. But you can downgrade that if you want. You can choose which video card and which CPU you want. There's another chassis that we have, which is half the size of this chassis for a single video card. And there's another chassis. It's a little bit bigger with the triple 980s that I talked about. Your usual typical accessories with the living room PC. So we give you a wireless Xbox controller if you want, wireless Microsoft keyboard and trackpad, or Logitech, or fill in the blank. Whatever accessory you want, you can customize it with our products. Our living room PC actually does what we call true 4K gaming. True 4K gaming is basically 4K gaming 60 frames per second.
Nice.
Every game,
Nice.
anything that's gaming should be 60 frames per second. So
Right.
a lot of other companies might have a product that they say is 4K capable or 4K gaming, but if it's not running 60 frames per second, we don't feel that's true. So with a living room PC with dual 980s, triple 980s, you can do true 4K gaming, 60 frames per second, any game.
So this is, from what you said earlier, I guess it's kind of like the intermediate size case, because if you want to go to the Tri, then it's going to be, you said, about an inch bigger.
Yeah,
If
it's
you
only a
go-
little bit bigger. Yep.
Okay. And if you wanted to go down to a single card, you said the case was a little smaller.
Half
right?
the size, yeah.
Size. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good. So that gives you plenty of options on that.
Yep.
Now I know you customize the other cases. So let's say if somebody wanted the home PC one here, like if they wanted that painted orange or purple or
Yep.
green, you'd also do that.
Yeah, absolutely. We can paint it to match the decor of your living room. If you want an actual custom design on there, we can do that as well.
Nice. So basically, you guys do all that for everything that you have. You can do custom designs. You were, I think, talking about you can get different colors on the laptops, the cases, all this stuff. So you're
Yep.
the number one boutique on that kind of thing, where we'll customize anything, we'll do whatever you want.
Yeah, basically, yeah. That's our strategy. That's our pillars of our company. The most customization, the highest performance, and best support. So this,
Sweet.
building on that, this product has our 24/7 lifetime support. So if you're installing it in your living room, you have a question at 4 in the morning, call us up and we'll help you out.
Nice. I'm sure somebody's probably tried that before, right? 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning.
Oh yeah, but our overnight guys, they have the easiest job because we don't get many calls overnight. So those guys can just hang out, wait for a couple calls, and that's it.
Might be like a drunk.
Their whole shift.
Might be like a drunk call or something, right? See if
we've
this
had
guy
some of
over
those.
there.
We've had some of those. Those are fun.
Those late night WoW sessions,
Yeah.
Oh, I can't get this. How do I get to it? That has nothing to do with our PC, sir.
Yeah.
So next we're going to go up to the laptops, and these are your newer laptops?
Yeah, this is actually our main focus for CES 2015. We just launched these laptops yesterday, Monday of CES, and it's the Eon 15X and Eon 17X. These are desktop processor laptops. So it has a full-blown Intel 4790K processor in there, and it's actually overclocked to 4.5 gigahertz on all 4 cores. So it's an insane amount of performance in a laptop, and it's 37% thinner and 30-something% lighter than the previous generation. So it's thinner and lighter and more powerful.
Wow, that's what everybody wants.
Yes.
That's what you always ask every year. Can you make it faster? Can
Yeah.
you make it lighter? And so the keys is all backlit, and you said that's also customizable, right? Is for the
Yeah.
lighting, you can change the lighting.
Yeah, you have backlit keyboard with 7 different colors and 3 different lighting zones. On the graphics side, we have the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 980M with 8 gigabytes of video RAM.
Wow. So again, I mean, you have tiers that you can buy this in, so you can say like, I want so many storage, you don't want so much RAM, you can customize it that way, correct?
Yeah. So if you just want one hard drive, If you want 8 gigabytes of RAM, that's an option. If you want up to 32 gigs of RAM, that's an option. If you want up to 4 terabytes of hard drive space, that's an option. So we also have the new M.2 PCIe hard drive, so the fastest hard drives available, and they're 70% faster than a normal hard drive.
Wow. So these models here are, you said matte black, and it comes in 2 other colors, correct?
Yeah, the A panel, which we can look at here. So the front A panel there is we're showing matte black. You can also get it in a glossy white or a matte red, and all of those are just options at no cost. If you want a custom color, then it's a custom paint job, and there's a cost associated with that. And it depends on what color you want and how intricate the design, but because it's actually going to be airbrushed by hand.
Well, okay. Well, thank you very much for walking us around through the suite, and we'll check out whatever else we can. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.